Damn, you so dirty.
Go for it.
Oh, geez. Well, nobody really knows this because I didn't share it with anybody, but we have been rebuilding my 1999 Honda Civic for about a year. Yes, it has taken me a year, mostly because I'm terrified of the projects and there are so many of them to do. So we are working on the engine, which is finally back together and covered in plastic to protect her. And today we're working on the transmission, which is a filthy beast. So we're going to come out here and use a couple products to get that baby clean.
Ka-chow.
I really just want to show what it looks like when you use this without any like scrubbing, without anything special. If you read the directions, which I always do, because technically there's surfaces you aren't supposed to use it on, although this is pretty good for most everything, like engines, tools, grills, driveways, well, literally everything. So we're going to do this in real time. I don't even want to speed it up. So it says always test it on an inconspicuous area. I have tested this before. This is a full rebuild, so the rest of the engine has gotten cleaned with this. It wants it to sit for, sit and stew. And then, I mean, you saw how grungy that was, so let's just see what it does with some water. Shower, flat, jets. Okay, so that's no agitation. And you can see some of the pieces that got clean in here. Let's try agitating it a little bit. Ready? Real time. Can't tell I use this brush for this exact purpose, can you? Okay, so a little agitation. This time we'll spray. Look at that. And that's literally 26 years of grime. That's 26 years of grime. Because this thing's never been cleaned. And it's definitely had a leak at some point. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this all the way up. Shall we do a little rinse, see how she's coming along? Sure. Starting to look like metal again.
Yeah.
Also, the cool thing is check this brush out. Ready? Isn't that crazy? Like, that's some of the thickest, nastiest grease, and it just comes right off. And the biggest thing that this says is not to let it dry on there. So you always want to make sure you spritz it with water before it dries. Also, the nice thing is, like, this doesn't even smell bad. I'm super sensitive to smells. It's so gross. That's my fill plug. That's my drain plug.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna get this piece, maybe flip it over a little bit, and then we should tackle the inside and have a good reveal on that one.
Okay.
So when your rear main seal, have you ever heard of somebody having a rear main seal leak?
Nope.
Okay. So when your rear main seal leaks, basically where your engine attaches to your transmission is the rear main, and it would leak in here.
Oh, it leaks into the transmission? Oof.
Okay, let's have a quick little peek and see. Do you know what this hole is for?
No.
So that's for your starter.
Oh,
so,
no.
So when you say start, what happens is your starter sits here and a little tiny gear pops out and it engages with the wheel that's here, the flywheel in my case. And then it basically, like, have you seen in old-timey movies when like they have to crank the front of the car? Have you seen that? That's what that does, is it cranks it for you. What is this, like a 15-minute journey we're on right now?
It's been more than that.
Oh my God. Short version, it is important to clean things. Number one, so that once your repair is finished, you understand if something is leaking. And number two, it's good to have good partners. Now, they did not pay me for this ad. I just wanted to show you the use of Super Clean. They did give me the products for free. And honestly, I would recommend them. I think that they're easy to use. There's not a bunch of toxic chemicals in there, and they clean right off with water and don't smell bad. So good luck with your project at home.